Hello YouTube viewers, and thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I want to share with you a Dollar Tree haul, and it's a small Dollar Tree haul, but I want to give you an idea of what you can do with these items. First, I have here a pack of 8 individual packets of tissue, and it's 2-ply tissues. The tissues are actually white, but it's just the packaging that it's so pretty. And I have an idea that I'm going to show you what you can do with that for your miniature doll houses. But let's move on to the next item. Then we have this felt garland here, and there are two shapes. This one has a cut right there, and they come in different colors, green, pink, a few different colors. And then we have this one, which is very, very pretty. Look at that. And then it comes also in other colors like lilac. That's a lilac color, you see it? And it has green and orange in there. So these I have an idea for also. So I'll tell you in a minute. But let's go on to the next item. So look at these. These are Sure Fresh reusable mini containers and lids. And they come 10 in a pack. This pack specifically. There's 10 in there. And you can store different things in there. So you can store little candy or just little things that you don't want them to get lost. Look at that one. Craft and bead storage. You can store beads and all that. But I have a different idea for them, and I'm going to tell you in a minute. Okay? What I plan to do with those, I plan to make another bakery of mine, and that's how I'm going to use it. Picture this in a big bakery. Picture a whole bunch of those and a whole bunch of cakes and cookies all around the bakery, to keep them fresh, to keep the pastries fresh. So that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm sure there are other ideas that I'll come up with, and I'm sure that as you look at them, you say, I know what I could do with that. But right now, my main idea is that making an extra bakery, because I already have one, but these are going to make it more realistic, because when you go into a bakery, you do see pastries under a container like that, a transparent container, so the flies won't be all over it, and to protect it and keep it fresh. So that's part of my new bakery. Then with the napkins, with the tissues, the patterns are so pretty, and even though the tissues are white, I do know what I want to make with it. So it drew my attention because this was what I wanted to make. A bed, a mattress, and I could change up. I can make it a green mattress with that one. So let's try it. Okay, that's just the base, and the base is actually, that was some odd piece that I made into a bed. But let's try the green here. See, it fits perfect. Look at that. So I can change up, or I can make bunk beds, since they have, there's doubles, and I have 2 packs, so I actually have 4 of each. So you can make bunk beds, you can make a whole bunch of beds, even couches and stuff like that. But right now, my main idea is a bed. They make good mattresses. It's a little folded there, but I'll fix that up. Then what else? We can also use this felt garland as background. We can use it as background, maybe the other way around like this, as a headboard for the beds. Because remember, we have green in there, all these different colors. So, and then we have the green mattress. So if we put it all together, we make nice combinations of mattresses, beds, and garland. So you can cut this up and use it for your different crafts. Look how beautiful that is. Look at all those colors. Well, so these were my 3 items for today. It's the tissues, the little containers, and the garden felt. So thanks for watching, and I hope that if you find these in the Dollar Tree, you can make beds for your dollhouse, or you can maybe plan a bakery. Thanks for watching.